Turn on the wax pot. I sometimes turn up the temp so it melts faster, and then turn it back down. Check for chain stretch. Remove the chain. Fill the ultrasonic cleaner with hot water. Add a dash of simple green. Run for 5 minutes. Make up some hot soapy water. Prop up the bike. Give it a rinse. Give everything a soapy scrub. Rinse clean. Bounce some of the water off. Towel off excess water. Rinse the chain. Refill the ultrasonic cleaner with hot water only. Give the chain another 5-minute clean. Check the cassette teeth. Check the tire for wear. Remove the wheels. Remove the brake pads and check for wear. Wipe the discs with isopropyl. Rinse the chain. Do a quick towel off. Saturate the chain in isopropyl. Dry the chain with compressed air. Wax the chain. Dry the wax. Check the torque on the wheel bolts. Check the torque on the stem bolts. Check the torque on the seat post. Reattach the wheels and dry the pedals and components with compressed air. Use Dri-Slide on derailleur pivots, pulleys, and pedals and any other moving parts. Loosen the wax. Install the chain. Give everything a charge.